Okay, this is my profile on Bluesky, and if you follow me for a while now, you know that flagcampus.com is my website's address. If we go to the European Commission account, ec.europa.eu, and if we go to John's account, he also set his website as his username. Then we can go to Le Monde, lemonde.fr, CNN is cnn.com. The thing is, only the company or the person who owns the domain name can change the settings on the domain name to use it as a username on Bluesky. So if I own that domain name and it is set as my username on Bluesky, that user is a verified user. What I'm doing is showing you how to do it on my wife's account because, well, I have already done it on my account. So let's do it. It's a brand new account. If we go to settings, you can see that she has the basic username, bsky.social username. But if we scroll down, there is this option here, change handle. This is where you change your username if you don't want the one you choose when you created your account. But there is another option here. I have my own domain. There are some instructions here. We'll get to them. But for now, I'm going to enter her domain here. Okay, so this is her domain. Now we have to go to our domain name panel and change and add this settings. Okay, in my case, in her case, we use hover, but it's similar. The only thing that will change is the layout of the page you are setting up. There's values here. Oh, but before I show you how to do it, you may have noticed that her account has a sun in front of her username. I saw some people asking about this. My account doesn't have it. This is only on new accounts. As time passes, it will disappear. I like it. I wish it didn't go away. Anyway, let me show you how to do it. Okay, this is her domain page at Hover, and we are going to DNS. Now we have to add record. We'll add a text, txt type record, and we have to fill it with hostname and content. Let's go back to the instructions, and here you have it. So host is this one here. We'll paste it here. Go back, and we need this here that you are not seeing, but I'm copying something. We'll paste it here, okay? That's it. We are done here. Let's go back to Bluesky now and click Verify DNS Record. Domain verified. Save. And here it is. I think it will take a little while to propagate on the, let's go there, on the account. Yeah, it still has the old one here, but it's already set. It's now her domain name. That's it. If this was helpful, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about Bluesky, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.